Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Roblox on your tablet. Use a browser and switch to the desktop site. This is the only reliable way to redeem a gift card on a tablet. Once done, make sure your 16-character code is at hand and not obscured. This prevents typing errors. You want to avoid the app's limited UI, so the desktop view exposes the full redeem form. Keep Wi-Fi stable. Slow connections cause timeouts when you submit the code. Now navigate directly to the redeem page in the desktop mode browser. You'll see a single input field for the 16-character code. Type it slowly and check for common mistakes like letter O versus 0. Once you tap Redeem, the site validates the code server-side and applies the credit. This may take a few seconds. If the card is for Robux, it converts immediately. If it's account credit, you can allocate it at checkout. Keep an eye on the finish by checking your account balance in account settings under billing or transactions to confirm the credit or Robux arrived. If you don't see the update, sign out and back in. Cache or cookie issues can hide changes. When you get an error, clear the browser cache, retry in another browser, or switch network connections. These steps fix most problems. If it still fails, take a clear photo of the unused card and contact Roblox support. Having the code image speeds resolution and proves the card's unused status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.